Is this working? I don't know. Should be showing up. There we go. We are live. All right. So, got my computer working a little bit faster today. Still a messy graph. Let me zoom up. Get on the 4-hour. Yeah, so Bitcoin's holding 18,300-ish level. We got some resistance, so I really think we could be at the top. If you look at the weekly RSI, I just got out of the weekly. I'll go, pop back. But yeah, we have bearish, sort of a divergence as well. It's not completely evident, more of a hidden bearish divergence. But if you look at the weekly RSI, it's clearly overextended. I mean, look at the last bull market, each of these highs, it pulled back 20-30% each time. We gotta expect that. I mean, it could be a 40% one, or it could be just 20%. It could go either way. Just gotta be ready for it. Have some cash on hand. Take a little bit of profits if you're a trader. Even if you're a hodler, take 10%, 20% of your gain on your Bitcoin and just put it away when it dips back to that this 20-week moving average, 21-week moving average. Just get back in, do it a couple times over this next year. I think you're pretty safe. But yeah, we're already bending over. So, I mean, we could get another shot up to 20, 21 or 22. I think it's rather unlikely at this point. But if we want to look at some of these other coins, XRP is still on a total tear. It could go for $1. I watch Donovan Jolly's channel, and he does great technical analysis. Such a young dude. All these people are so young. You got him and Jeb. They're like 20 years old. They're not even 20 years old. I don't know. And they're able to do what they do. It's pretty amazing. But yeah, I mean, XRP, you could go to $1. You don't really know. But I think once it does go up, it's going to probably be a nasty correction. Yeah, if you were tuned in yesterday, which I don't think anybody was because I only have one subscriber and I'm just starting with this. But yeah, I already called the bull flag up to 60 cents, so I can't be terrible at what I do, right? And we do have some bearish divergence on the 4-hour. So yeah, we could be getting close to the top there. Maybe we get another pullback, another rise up, 75 cents, maybe even $1. Seems really unlikely. But we could come on right all the way back down, 50 cents. It's not crazy. Donovan Jolly was saying it can come down to 30 cents, kind of like what OMG did, which I can see that happening. If Bitcoin has a nasty dump and bulls everyone else down with it a bit, that's certainly in the cards. So don't be too bummed out when it happens, if it happens. Again, just take some profits and have some money to throw back in once it goes back up. Best thing you can do. Best thing you can do. We can look at, let's see what else we can look at. Link's breaking out a bit. Kind of slow and steady. It's in this beautiful trading channel that I think I had mentioned before. Computer's locking up again. That's a bummer. I think it's this, I just have a lot of windows open, but when I'm running this studio on here, it's taking a bit of a toll, but we can deal with it for now. My one subscriber, if you're there, it might just be counting me, honestly. Yeah, so we got this really nice trading channel. It's not crazy to say it won't come down to 11, 12 cents again, then pop back up. Maybe. Trading channels don't usually last forever. I mean, I could see us doing that one more time. Or maybe having a fake out, going through it, go down to 9 cents one more time. I think anything further down than that would be very unlikely. 6 cents or $6. I mean, yeah, no way. That'd be a black swan event. I mean, even if Bitcoin pulls back pretty hard, I could see $9 happening for sure. Litecoin, it's pulling up a bit. Not doing a whole lot. We probably got a bearish divergence. Yeah, sort of a bearish divergence happening as well with Litecoin. I've taken a lot of my profits with a lot of these coins. I have 2 positions with XRP. I took almost entirely of one of them. I'm gonna have one that's just gonna ride all the way up. I'm not gonna touch it, just out of curiosity. I even have an 88 position. Let's see what else we got. From a more traditional market perspective, so I've been converting a lot of my stocks and stuff into gold and silver. I'd already done that before and actually got a little bit of that bump up a few months ago. But yeah, they've been really falling pretty hard. They might be getting in pretty good buy zones. So whoever's gold and silver buff, I mean, I think stocks may run up until Christmas, have a Christmas run, and then after Christmas and the whole country realizes what's really going on and no one's working and our GDP is terrible and everyone's still miserable, I could see the stock market crashing again. Or maybe by Christmas we're normalized and everything is hunky-dory and our president, we know who our president is. Part of my problem is just not knowing that situation. I don't want to get too political, but man, scary times. What else could talk about? Yeah, I think it's mainly, I think altcoins are running right now. Just be ready for the Bitcoin pullback. It's going to pull all of them down, and it's probably going to bleed pretty ugly. But I think it's going to be quick. It's going to be real quick. Jump down, jump up. Unless, of course, we just start consolidating and we don't actually have a dip and we keep going up till Christmas, which is possible. Unlikely. I think it'd be best if we get a nice dip like right now. Thanksgiving, couple week dip, 3-week dip, and then rally on through the new year. That would be my hope, I guess you could say. Maybe we could see if, nobody's watching me. So, or maybe it's just me. Maybe one day someone will look back on this stuff. Or maybe not. Trying to look back at everything that everyone's saying on the news, the crypto news. ADA's made a good run. Think about some of my biggest altcoins that have done extremely well right now. Really just, I guess what I could do is look at CoinMarketCap. Let's take a look at that. I don't usually use this one, but we can go for it. Yeah, so yeah, Linkstone, good. Wow, is Chainlink number 5 on crypto CoinMarketCap? That's pretty crazy. XRP is still number 3, so I mean, the people that have been talking crap about XRP, you can say all you want, but it still holds number 3 spot. I can't believe the Bitcoin Cash is so high. It's ridiculous. I hate that. And SV is just terrible. Don't mess with that. Craig Wright is despicable. Litecoin's moved up. ADA's moved on up as well. I'm a pretty big proponent of the ADA. Third generation, I suppose. Crypto is what they call them. EOS, Monero. Yeah, one guy I follow is all about privacy coins. Monero. I don't know who knows about Tika Tawari. I follow his stuff and his recommendations. I do a lot of digging to figure out which coins he does actually recommend. He'll charge an actual fee to get the full report, which I don't know what the full report says. It probably is good to have him on the. Once you get the report, you also get, I guess, access to his recommendations and profit take margins and all that. So like, it probably pays for itself for sure. I mean, I took the Link recommendation. I made a lot of money on Link, and I'm gonna keep making money on Link. But yeah, some of those new recommendations, Dash, and some of the other ones, Zcoin and stuff like that. I could see the privacy coins. It's going to be controversial. It's going to be real volatile with those things, I think. It's depending on when, though. It might be like a later cycle thing when the governments get really want to crack down on all of that. Crypto.com, that's probably a great buy right now. I think it went to 15 cents, I think, maybe 20. That thing is just itching. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. That's a pretty good app. I have the card. Pretty user friendly, good service, no qualms. So I think that has a future for sure. Sell. My buddy went into Sell token really early, made a lot of money. That token still does well. And it's been running. I think it's at $2 and something cents right now. Yeah, it's crazy. Theta, I kind of dig what they're doing with the more decentralized YouTube type of thing. I'm not completely sure there's Sell right there. Yeah, I bought it, maybe averaged in at $1, doubled my money, but my buddy, I think he got it at like 10 cents, maybe less than that. So, I mean, God, I wish I'd gotten more. It was hard to get in the beginning, and if you're out of the country, the U.S. doesn't like Sell token for some reason. I'm not really sure why. Yeah, I mean, really, look at all that green. All that green. What you gonna do with all that junk? All that junk inside your junk. Man, it's beautiful, beautiful times. Well, I might end it here. Once again, this is kind of a test run channel at this point, but I want to get used to talking to a monitor and flipping through the screens and doing a little bit of pot shot technical analysis. This is it's all looking good, but be ready for that pullback. I think it's going to happen. Maybe probably like Thanksgiving Day after everyone told everyone to buy. So it could be one of those effects where everyone gets together for Thanksgiving and talks about how much money they're making on crypto, and everyone buys and get another leg up next week. That could happen, but now with all these shutdowns and all this nastiness, I mean, if people don't get together and everyone's social distancing, I doubt crypto's going to be on top of their minds. And even so, there's not going to be as much buzz or ability to even spread the buzz. Really limited to 4 people in a freaking room, or Gestapo regimes that are controlling us. And I'm not trying to get into all that, but scary times in 2020. Let's hope they end soon, and not in an apocalyptic way. Let's go back to the good old days. Alright guys, so I hope you all have a good night. See you guys on the flip side. Hope so. Anyway, peace.